Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be talking about the frame tool. Now the frame tool is actually a tool in Figma and very useful, and the tool will get to set the dimensions of our UX design. So in order to access the frame tool, we go over to space and then we get to click on frame, and that's the shortcut key F. So by clicking on the shortcut key F, we'll be able to access the frame tool. Now there are different kinds of frame over here depending on the kind of UX environment you are designing. Let's say you are designing a UX design for a phone, so you get to click on the dimensions for phone. So we get to see iPhone 16 and get to see the dimensions over here, which is 393 and 852. So we have iPhone 16 and 14. So we also have tablet over here. If you are creating a UX design for tablet, while you are creating a UX design for desktop, you get to click on desktop. So we have presentation watch, paper also. So let's say we are creating a UX design for an iPhone 16. So we get to click on iPhone 16 and then dimension, our UX environment has been created. Now this means that whatsoever thing we'll be designing will be inside frame this frame just created. So and under the design panel, which is this right hand side, we get to see the layout and the dimensions. So we can see the width of the frame just created, 393, and we can see the height over here, 852. So what we can also do is that we can rename our this frame just created. So let's say we want to rename it. We double click on the name that's here. So and just let's say let's give it a name. So let's rename it frame 1. So you can see that we've given it another name. Then let's say we are creating more than one frame in this environment. So and let's say we want to set the dimensions of the UX environment ourselves. What you can do after you click on the frame tool, you just click and drag. So when you click and drag, you get to set the dimensions of the frame yourself. So let's rename it frame 2. So we can get to set the dimensions of this frame 2 depending on the dimensions we are working with by adjusting the width and the height over here. Then if you want to increase the width, you click and drag. When you drag it over to the right hand side, it increases. When you drag it over to the left hand side, it decreases. You can see it's reducing. So once you set it, then for the height you can do the same thing. You increase, you reduce the height depending on the dimensions you are working with for your UX design. So let's create a square on this frame 1. Let's go over to the shape tool over here and create a square. So let's create another square. So let's say we want to export a particular portion of this frame. We want to export as PNG. What we can do is that we can use the slice tool, and the slice tool is over here. It has the shortcut key S. and then by clicking on it you can get to export this portion over here. So you click and drag and then to select just this first square, and then you go over to export option over here. Then you can select the format you are saving it as PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF. Then you get to export the slides. So when you export it, you get to save it. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.